So let's cook up our lion's mane mushroom we found yesterday. So the first thing I did is I washed it real good. I cut off a little bit from the outside that I couldn't get washed off. Then I cut it in half. We're gonna eat this half sauteed in a little butter, salt, and pepper. This half we'll eat on a different setting. What I'm gonna do with this half is cut it into chunks, bread it, and fry it. Kind of make a lion's mane po' boy. But for lunch, we're just gonna saute these lion mane steaks. I'm gonna let them sit on this paper towel for a little bit so it'll pull some of the moisture out. Let's salt and pepper them. Let's melt our butter. And now we'll saute these until they're golden brown. So the edges are starting to get a little brown. Let's turn them and see what they look like. Oh yeah. They're beautiful golden brown color. They're done. Let's get them out. I have never tasted this mushroom before, so this is going to be a first for me. Let's go. Crispy on the outside, tender in the middle. The taste is one of a kind and delicious.